The first bell just rang, and already dozens from Hallinan Elementary School in Lake Oswego are stuck at home.
We were notified over the weekend of a individual in the school who diagnosed with COVID. And immediately we started doing our contact tracing.
They found 47 people were exposed to COVID on a bus, all considered close contacts who have to quarantine for at least 10 days. The district says no one else has tested positive.
We immediately kicked into our exposure protocols.
We wanted to know, what do those protocols look like? For Lake-O, the school nurse gets notified. They work with administrators and teachers to identify close contacts and meet with public health to figure out who needs to quarantine. Close contacts are notified and asked to isolate if needed. If they're fully vaccinated and don't have symptoms, they don't need to quarantine. Then the principal tells the school community about exposure.
Much of these protocols that we're talking about have been in place since then, so we have a lot of practice with it.
Hillsborough has a similar plan.
So far, we have not had to, for example, quarantine entire classrooms or cohorts of students. So far, we've been able to just do the heads up, and then people monitor for their own symptoms.
You're considered a close contact of somebody with COVID when you're within 6 feet of them for 15 minutes over the course of a day. But this summer, health officials changed the definition for kids in a K-12 classroom setting. Students are not considered close contacts if they're within 3 to 6 feet of somebody with COVID-19 and they wore masks and other safety prevention measures were in place. This does not apply to adults. Local public health leaders say they have a harder time tracking those people now.
With the very high levels of cases that we have in the community, public health is not able to follow up with every single case. We really need to work together with the schools to ensure that everybody knows when there is a case and how to quarantine.
While districts have well laid out plans to stop the virus from spreading in schools, it's on everyone to keep them open.
What we do outside in our community greatly impacts the success we have in keeping students in school full time.
Morgan Romero, KGW News.